Oh, hello there. This is Nornrad. I figured I would make a video, a little mini documentary of myself button mashing, showing how many times I can actually push a button in 1 minute. I think I can do it pretty fast. Felt it was worthy of some kind of documentation. So here's my basic rig. Stop it! You basically set up the calculator program, do 1 plus 1, and then you can push equals, and that will show you how many times you've pushed equals. And then you basically just eyeball the clock for the 60 seconds. So let me reset this. And ow! I've got a couple seconds to kill here. Let me just set up the camera properly. I'm going to wait till it gets to the top for a whole minute. Get a couple practice runs in here. I find the optimum spot to push. Yeah, right there looks good. Alright. 15 seconds. 1 plus 1. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. And begin. We're just coming up to halfway now, and it's at 370 something. Seconds, 10 seconds, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, stop. Okay, that's pretty good actually. Check it out. 7:28 in a minute. It's pretty gosh darn fast. So yeah, that's basically my button mashing demo. See ya.